Students, we are going to continue with we are reaching the end of this topic also. Students, I'll begin with the first topic then, solid state. Hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Okay. Hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. You take a salt that is Ba. Ba is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Let me say like this. Ba on hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? The interaction of ions of salt with ions of water. They form BOH plus HA. Now, the salt of weak acid and weak base, whether it forms an acidic solution, whether it forms a basic solution, alkaline solution, or a neutral solution. Okay, if you take a salt of weak acid and weak base, whether the solution is acidic or basic or alkaline or neutral, we are going to judge that. Students, it depends on the value of Ka, that is dissociation constant of weak acid, and Kb. Students, if Ka is greater than Kb, the solution is acidic. If Ka is less than Kb, the solution is basic. And what is Ka? Dissociation constant of weak acid. And what is Kb? Dissociation constant of weak base. And if Ka is equal to Kb, then it is a neutral solution. Now, we will take an example here. Example number 1. We will take ammonium fluoride, which is a salt of weak acid, that is hydrogen fluoride, and weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide. Students, both ammonium ions and fluoride ions react with water to form what? Ammonium hydroxide plus hydrogen fluoride. The ammonium ions react with water to form what? NH4OH plus H3O plus, H plus, H3O plus. And fluoride ions, which are the ions of the weak acid, react with water to form HF plus OH minus. But important is the dissociation of ammonium is faster than F minus. The rate of dissociation of ammonium ions, or we'll put it like this, ammonium ions, the rate at which ammonium ions react with water is higher. Hence, the amount of hydronium ions produced are larger. Means ammonium ions react, or ammonium ions undergo hydrolysis at a faster rate and then fluoride ions. Therefore, the number of hydronium ions produced are greater than the number of hydroxyl ions, as the rate of hydrolysis of ammonium ion is more. Hence, the solution is acidic. One more reason is that, students, let me put it like this. Ammonium fluoride is a salt of weak acid whose Ka value is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4, and weak base whose value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So, we observe here that Ka is greater than Kb, and that is why the solution is acidic, because the hydrolysis of ammonium ion is a bit faster than the fluoride ions. Kala? What about the value of Ka of weak acid HF? It is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. And what about ammonium hydroxide, which is the weak base? It is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. That's it. Here is 1. At the second, hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Second example we will take is ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide is the salt of weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide. Ammonium hydroxide, the dissociation constant we have already proposed here. It is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. whereas hydrogen cyanide, it is 4 into 10 raised to minus 10. Means obviously we conclude that Kb is greater than Ka. When ammonium cyanide undergoes hydrolysis, it forms what? Ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide. When ammonium cyanide reacts with water, it undergoes hydrolysis to form ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide. Ammonium ions react with water to form ammonium hydroxide and hydronium ion, whereas cyanide ions react with water to form hydrogen cyanide plus OH minus, but the amount of OH ion, the rate of hydrolysis of cyanide ions is greater. The what you can say, the reaction of cyanide ions is faster, hence the amount of OH produced is greater than H3O plus, means the solution is basic. How is the solution? It is basic. Are you okay here? That is the solution which is basic here, which is the salt of weak acid and a strong base. Next, look here. 3. Salt of obviously weak acid and weak base, where Ka is equal to Kb. Now, ammonium acetate is the salt of weak acid, that is acetic acid, whose value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5, and ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, whose value is again 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Acetic acid undergoes hydrolysis to form acetate ions and OH minus acetate ions and as well as OH minus ions, whereas ammonium, we'll put it like this, ammonium ions undergo, थांबा हा students, 1 minute 1 second. हे बघा, ammonium acetate is the salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is equal to Kb, which are respectively the values of, have the values of 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Students, will put it like this. When the we'll put it like this. When the acetate ions react with water, we get acetic acid and OH minus hydroxyl ions. Ammonium ions react with water to form ammonium hydroxide and H3O plus but the concentration of the amount of OH produced is equal to the amount of H3O plus produced. Acetate ions react with water to form acetic acid. Ammonium ions react with water to form ammonium hydroxide. The concentration of OH minus is equal to H3O plus. Hence, the solution is neutral. How is the solution here? The solution is neutral. That's it. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss is something called as the buffer solution. Now, what is buffer solution, students? Buffer solutions are the solutions which resist the change in pH. Buffer solution is the solution which stops the change in pH when an acid or a base or a water is added to the solution. I repeat, buffer solution is a solution which stops or prevents or resists the change in pH when on addition of acid or base or water. Okay, students, buffer solutions are of two types. Look here, buffer solutions are of two types. Something called as acidic buffer solution and something called as basic buffer solution. So buffer solutions are of two types: acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solution. Next, now what is acidic buffer solution? Acidic buffer solution is the solution of weak acid and its salt with a strong base. म्हणजे कुठलं? वीक ॲसिड घ्यायचं आणि salt with strong base. This is acidic buffer solution. Basic buffer solution is the solution of weak base and its salt with strong acid. Who is weak base? Ammonium, and strong acid is hydrogen chloride. So ammonium chloride is a weak base with its salt with a strong acid, and acidic buffer solution is the solution containing weak acid and the salt of weak acid with a strong base, sodium hydroxide. कळतं? For acidic buffer solution we write pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt, obviously to the base 10, to the concentration of acid. That is for pH. What is pKa? It is negative logarithm to the base 10 of dissociation constant, and that is Ka. ठीक है? Similarly, how do you write POH? The POH is equal to what? P Kb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt to the concentration of base. That is the reaction of how to calculate the pH and POH of a buffer solution. That's it. Are you okay, students? We are reaching with the last part of the topic. We'll complete it in the next period and we'll start with solid state. Okay? For today I will stop. Bye.